I'm glad to see that you're riding safely with your seat belt and your booster seat. Hey, did you know you were riding with a celebrity?
But there's more to a work zone than just the objects in it. A child becomes a road builder to learn a key message in keeping workers safe. Please slow down.
When you got belts to bones, you're coming across like this right here, and you're hooking it in, and this is the way you wear the shoulder belt, okay?
Presentations include Ollie's law enforcement friends to help teach the children booster seat and seatbelt safety. The children need to know the correct positioning of the seatbelt to keep them safe in the vehicle. Belts to bones is the way we help the kids to remember this concept.
Do its job.
This measurement game allows children to visualize how tall 4 feet 9 inches really is, and where they and most of their peers fall among that mark. The children realize they are not alone in needing a booster seat, and it encourages them to make safe decisions. Ollie brings a lot of excitement to a presentation. Ollie's cheer gives the children a chance to interact with Ollie and teaches them how to spell his name.
If you guys want to go back to your classroom and write Ollie letters or draw him pictures, we brought you an envelope so you guys can mail it back to us. Does that sound good? Okay.
The mail shows what children learn from Ollie's presentation. Meeting Tennessee's state teaching standards is crucial for the program. You know, high fives are a great conclusion for every presentation. Each child gets one-on-one time to interact with Ollie. This forms a relationship with Ollie and helps to reinforce everything the child is taught throughout Ollie's presentation. We hope it will assist them in making good choices about being safe. Okay, let's stop and take a look at what's happened in this program over the last 7 years. We started in the first year by reaching all 95 counties throughout the state. Next, Ollie visited all the rest areas and welcome centers throughout the state of Tennessee. In year 3, we celebrated 250,000 high fives with Ollie. Our special guest was Governor Phil Bredesen. Next, Ollie won one of its most prestigious national awards at the Governor's Highway Safety Association in Baltimore. Next year, we celebrated 400,000 high fives with Ollie, and is led by First Lady Chrissy Haslam. Last year, we reached a major milestone. Governor Bill Haslam joined and high-fived Ollie to celebrate the 500,000 children in this state who have gone through this program. Ollie's popularity is spread to other parts of the country. Right now, it's in Mississippi, Florida, Alaska, Arizona, New Mexico, California, and who's next?
Hi, my name is Hannah Ray, and I am a sophomore at Tennessee Tech. The Ladies Auxiliary Internship has given me the opportunity to work with leaders, school officials, and law enforcement from across the state of Tennessee. I have learned lots of new skills during this time that will help me in the future. The best part about the Ollie program is being involved at the elementary schools and seeing the impact Ollie has on the kids. The artwork and letters sent from the school really shows me that the kids are getting the message and that they love Ollie. Thank you so much for providing this wonderful opportunity for me.
Good morning, Tennessee Road Builders. I hope you enjoyed the presentation about our Ollie the Otter program. This past year has been one of our most exciting ever. It was highlighted by Ollie joining Governor Bill Haslam to celebrate the 500,000 landmark. Think of it. The program that we started has had an audience of 500,000 Tennessee school children getting the Ollie message. Ollie continues to excite children and, more importantly, saves lives on our Tennessee highways. I think you will agree with me, this has been good for our association. We have been blessed with many state and national awards. We want to thank all of the road builders who continue to support Ollie. If you are not a contributor, we want to invite you to join us. Your help can really make a difference. Thank you so much, and wish I was there with you.